Goodbye, Cole.
Whee! Maybe it's in the other aisle. Maybe it's over here.
Yeah, I think it's on this wall.
By the skateboard stuff.
But I didn't see it.
Dude, you can't ride the fucking skateboard.
No, I'm looking for that one thing.
Soul Skater?
Yeah, it's gone.
Somebody probably bought it.
No.
Yes.
Someone probably hid it.
No.
I'm scared of those things, so I won't get on one.
Ripstick?
Yeah.
I like me either.
I think I'm pretty.
Just ran. Cole, you want to have a scooter race?
You just run into something.
Yeah.
I have to try this.
Alright.
Watch me fail.
Start.